Today we are going to create React app without VS Code. Open GitHub and log in with your account. Now you can see Codespaces option in the top. Select React by GitHub. It will take some time to load. Once the loading completes, it will shows the basic React app structure, like source folder, public folder, node modules and package.json. Run npm start to view the output page. It will take some time to load. Click on localhost to view the page. Now the basic output page will be displayed on the browser.